Hello and welcome. Today we have another question on the board. We have that 9 raised to the power p minus 4 raised to the power p is equal to 6 raised to the power p, and we're asked to find the value of p. Let's try to find the solution to this question. Now we have that 9 raised to the power p minus 4 raised to the power p is equal to 6 raised to the power p. So now we're going to start by dividing through by 6 raised to the power p. If we divide through, we get 1 on the right hand side. And here we have 9 raised to the power p divided by 6 raised to the power p minus 4 raised to the power p, 6 raised to the power p equals 1. So let's try to rewrite what we have on the left hand side. We have powers of p, we can collect those. So now this becomes 9 over 6 raised to the power p minus 4 over 6 raised to the power p equals 1. Now, let's rewrite what we have in the brackets. We can rewrite 9 over 6 to become 3 times 3 divided by 2 times 3 p minus 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 3 p equals 1. So from here we see that 3 can cancel out, and we also see that 2 can cancel out. Now we have 3 divided by 2 raised to the power p minus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power p is equal to 1. Now we know that if we have, for instance, a over b, it is the same thing as being equal to 1 divided by b over a. So now, having this in mind, let's rewrite 2 over 3 raised to the power p. So now it becomes 3 over 2 raised to the power p minus 1 divided by 3 divided by 2 p equals 1. Because we're trying to make everything look the same. And if you can notice, we're gradually trying to form a quadratic equation. Now, let us represent 3 over 2 raised to the power p with the alphabet k, for instance. So now we have k minus 1 over k is equal to 1. This is over 1, this is over 1. We take k, this becomes k squared minus 1. K and k is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, equals 1 divided by 1. So now if we cross multiply, what we have now is k squared minus 1 times 1 equals k times 1. And this is k squared minus 1 equals k. Now if we move this k to the left hand side, we have k squared minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. So now let us find the value of k. To find the value of k, we are going to employ the quadratic equation formula, which states that k is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now from our equation here, our a is equal to 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 1. So let's plug these values into our quadratic equation. We have minus into minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 squared minus 4, a is 1, C is also minus 1 all over 2A. So now K is equal to minus times minus here becomes positive 1 plus or minus. Minus 1 squared is 1 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times minus 1 gives us minus 4 divided by 2. Now our K is equal to 1 plus or minus the root of minus times minus gives us positive. So we have 1 plus 4 divided by 2. Now this becomes 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. Now, so our K1 is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Our K2 is equal to 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. Now, let us, from here we can see that, from this K2, we can see that this is definitely less than 0. So we're not going to be using K2. We're only going to stick with K1. Now we can recall that, what is our K? K is 3 over 2 raised to the power P, because we're supposed to find the value of P. Okay? Now, we know that our K is equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power P. Now, what's the value of K? 3 over 2 raised to the power P is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now, to find the value of P, what we're going to do is to supply log to both sides. And if we do that, we have 3 over 2, log 3 over 2 raised to the power P equals log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now, P comes down here and becomes P log 3 over 2 equals log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And to find the value of P, we just divide through by log of 3 over 2. Divide both sides by log of 3 over 2. That cancels out, and it's 1. P times 1 is P equals log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 divided by log of 3 over 2. Now, if we recall, we know that log A over log B is the same thing as log of A base B. So let us also rewrite our value of P, and it becomes log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 base 3 over 2. And now this is our final answer. So, if you enjoyed watching this video and you've learned something new today, and you would also like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and bye-bye.